I'm taking a video. I could send it to her. I could send it to her. Please do?
Yeah. I want to watch Kate throwing it.
Okay.
You made me lose my verb again. That's like a frog. Look, that's Kaden just throw up right there. By the way, it's cream soda. And I'm a sucker. I drink too much soda. That's Kaden just throw up right there. Oh, and she peed right here. What? No, I didn't. She peed right here. That's cream soda.
Yeah,
I
right.
will dump this on you, and you would get really sticky. Dump this on you, and you'll get really sticky.
Creepy.
Hi, everyone. I screamed like once. I was so throw up came out of that.
Good thing I got it on camera. I was looking at you, but I got it.
I finally got it out. My stomach feels a lot better now.
Cool.
It's like you peed. What? No. You just so rude. Oh, she's gonna put a big one. I should totally get us another can of this so we can burp.
You should see me burp when I have
that went
soda.
up my nose! You should ask your mom if we can have another can. That would be kind of awkward.
You should see me when I burp. I burp like really, really big. And then Cole.
That's why. We should have another can so he can burp too.
Yeah. So far it's been like 3 minutes on this video.
I got the biggest burp. It wasn't loud. Actually, it kind of was. What? Don't step in Caden's throat.
Ah, ew.
What's so funny? She was following you.
Wait, I'm not getting even you. I'm getting the car. I have it up zoomed up close, so it's even funnier.
Stop!
Okay.
Did you hear? Why are you sitting right here? You made me jump. You gotta ask your mom if we can have another can. I don't think I can have that big of a can.
Like